Welcome back to a lecture series on GIS. In this lecture now what we are going to discuss is about the subtitle group of features. Now adding, when you are digitizing, adding your attribute data into the features, there is a classical example is given here. Like when you, digitize the drainages, you will have to give the drainage number, stream order this is called. If one joining 2, 1 is coming and then 2 travels, 2 and 2 joins 3. So this is what we have studied in hydrogeological studies, that we have to add the attribute subtitle, digitize the feature with title. You have to do it. So this exercise concentrate on that, and we will see that how to do it on the subtitle group of features. So digitize the feature with title. It means you are adding immediately attribute, otherwise developing the attribute parallelly. So you'll have to use the editor tool, add registered image, create feature class, and create feature class within that, naming the feature class and digitize the unique feature. So that's what we are now going to do it by adding the drainage stream numbers. So this is how we are now going to do it. We'll see that how we are going to do it once if you open the map. And then you will have to add, you have already opened the topo sheets. Topo sheet, it is a raster data. You will have to add, you are now going to digitize with this topo sheets, and you are now going to add your subtitle also in this. So I will show you that this is how I am adding the topo sheets into ArcGIS platform. Once if I am adding the topo sheets, I am just zooming to the maximum level. Zooming is done. Here after zooming to the maximum level, so I am going to do it with this, by naming the attribute values, right? How I am going to do it? You have to create digitize the features. You will have to digitize, as you know that you have to create GDB feature class, and in the feature class you have to add the feature class, start editor tool, and then name the feature class, as well as create the feature class. Within that you have to type the drainage or stream names. Already we have created, you have a feature data sets here, just new, and then no, not relationship. You have to create in the future new create feature class, and in that you have to add line, because it is a line feature. Drainages are represented always as a line, or you can put as a drainage also too. Drainage, sorry, there is a BRAS spelling check, spelling check. Line feature, it is a line feature. So I type again the top of it. It is a mistake, spelling mistake. Let's give next. So default, give next, finish. Now here, so I have to select, and I have to select creating a feature class over here. So after creating feature class, I am again giving the name. As drainage, again, and here short integer I have to use, finish. Now you see that it is in the table of content, it is there. You open the attribute table, nothing will be there because you are not started digitizing the line feature. You have to do it now by digitizing your line feature. And you have to name it whenever you digitize. Give first order streams for 1, and second order, when first and first join together to form second, and then second and second. So it is now leading numbers. So start edit, always you have to do it. Select the feature as drainage, and you have to select the create feature. So I am selecting a line, and selecting a line construction tools. The zooming to the maximum level in the topo sheet, I am starting digitizing the feature. This is how I have to do it. Now I am digitizing a line, and then I just open the drainage. The number is not there. So drainage I am just bringing, and I can type one here. Otherwise also create features. Right click, properties. Here I have to define. Here I have to define as one. So now for first order I am going to digitize. That's why I have given a name one. So all first order streams I am going to digitize. That's the reason I have given the number one, and all the rivers. So one is here, apply and OK. And similarly, you have to now digitize all the first orders because you are basically a geoscientist, maybe from geography or geology group. We will know how to name, how to order it. So one is here, but when I digitize the new one, it is not coming. I have to type one again. So I'm just closing, and now again I'm digitizing the first order streams. And I can go on digitize the first order because it is not much visible. I'm just changing the color of the drainages. If I click this one, you see now the color is changing. Now digitizing all the first order streams. So this is for the practical purpose. We are now developing this content, e-content, so that we are going to do it only with the sample points. And I could see that because after giving the drainages as one, automatically it takes one, right? If you digitize, automatically the number takes one because you have given in the create features as one, so that automatically it is numbered, subtitle as numbered as one. I'm just digitizing the drainages here. So it will take a little bit of time, no issues. I have to do it, digitizing a few first orders. Now look at that, all these first orders are digitized, and I can see the naming also. Subtitle as is already given on its because we have assigned. Now we will move to the second one by assigning the number 2 feature class. So I open, and then I move to again create feature. Right click, properties. Here I am just changing into 2. Hereafter, whatever I am going to digitize, the subtitle will automatically change, but it will not change the earlier one, but it will change right from the now. From now I am going to digitize the second. Those both first order joined together, it forms as a second order. It means speed will increase, the quantity of water flow will increase, so that it becomes a higher in number. So this is how we do with the straggler method of numbering the drainages, for understanding how the drainage speaks with respect to the surface of the earth, and how we are going to interpret the subsurface in terms as a geologist or a geographer. So I am just now digitizing the second orders, and if I know the procedure that where I can go up to second order, I can go. If 2 and 2 join, it will become 3. Now I am digitizing the second order. Already one the second order digitized, and then when it is joined together it will become 3. So I have to stop it here. So now 2 and 2 join, and now you just check the second order streams. And there is one more second order on the top of it. I am going to digitize now. So second order, if 2 2 join, it will become 3. Open attribute, you see, you can find, because I have given assigned the subtitle value as 2, so it is automatically taking 2. So for the new digitization also, it takes automatically the number 2. Now I have to check with the I can also change the symbology by adding all the units. Then only I'll be able to get the clarity whether how many. Yes, now this is in symbology I am just doing. And I can try, increase the width of it so that it will be visible. Otherwise, it will not be visible. Now you see the different colors of first order and second order, right? So this is visible. It was selected, that's why it looks like blue previously. Now it is changed. When you put save, it will change. Now I have to do third order. Now I have to do third order. I have to start edit, save edit, stop edit. Then I have to go to create feature, drainage. In the property I have to make it 3. So if I'm making 3, then apply yes, no, drawing symbol I will not draw. Then I apply yes, okay, values will not draw, right? 1 2 is there. Let us see digitizing the numbers whether 3 is coming or not. Now 2 2 join, it becomes 3. If 3 3 join, then it will become 4. So I have to stop here. So this is 3, and I have to take the another 2 second orders join together. So this becomes 3. 3 plus 3, 3. It will become 4 afterwards. Now I have to check in the attribute table. Now you see it is coming. It is automatically changing. This is how subtitles are assigned in all the features when you are going ahead of digitization. So I have to select properties, make it 4. If I make it 4, give OK, apply. Then this will ask you give OK, yes, and start digitizing the fourth order also. Zoom it to the maximum level. This is for the practical purpose we are doing. You do it little zoom. When you are doing for a perfect research, every map is in need of higher perfection, right? One is missing, third is missing on the top of it. I don't know, during saving it went, it was deleted. It is not coming on the third, on the top, right top. Yes. Go to properties, do with 3, because that the line which we have done is missing. So I'm doing it again. Here, this one, yes, this 3 3 should join, then only it will become 4. So I am digitizing. So I have to make it 4. Yes, okay, yes. Now to proceed further, I have to select the tool, digitization tool. So fourth order is given. Now right click, open attribute table, check 4 is coming. Okay. and now add all values, apply, OK, and check the raster file. You can increase the size, I mean width, because it looks like very width is 0. You can change the colors as you wish, color and width, the design you want to make, map layout, that all you can do it as your wish. Yes, now look at that. On the map is very clear. Of course, we have digitized. It was there. It was not looking. By the time now it is 2 lines. You select one and then delete. Yeah, that's now it is ready. Your map is ready for. I mean subtitle. I mean you have given all the your subtitle. You can also add the subtitle value in the symbol features. You can label the features. The label, you go to labels and you can increase the size of the label so that it will be of higher in visibility. So I'm just opening that this visibility, increasing the size. You apply OK. Now look at that. All drainage streams are numbered with the number what we have assigned. So this is very clear that with this the lecture is come to an end of understanding subtitle group of features in ArcGIS during editing using editing tool. Thank you very much.